Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So the euro dollar just continued to gain strength ever since Trump dropped the tariffs for every country except for China. One of your clues that there was never a short, once we ended this correction right here, was that there was never a break of structure down. All these lows right here, every single one of them is a higher low. There's no break of structure whatsoever. So that means that there was never no reason to go short whatsoever. And if you were trading the even shorter time frame than this, then it would have been longs all the way. Now it does kind of have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look, and this little push up that we're currently getting could be a wave five. This is a pretty important Fibonacci level on the weekly time frame. If we go all the way up to the weekly, this is a weekly time frame Fibonacci extension, and we also just took out the highs of the previous wave B. Most wave A's or wave ones do end around the previous high of the previous structure of the wave B correction or the wave X correction sometimes. So definitely a pretty important area. Even if it does turn down, it is going to be just a big correction, but it's definitely on the sort of time frame it's going to be very tradable. So if it does respect this area, if it does make that double top, if it goes down, if it breaks structure, then you can become a seller on pullbacks from that point on. But I wouldn't recommend looking for sells unless you see this picture right here, because what's stopping it from making more higher lows? Honestly, there's nothing stopping it from making more higher lows. So if it doesn't break structure at an important key Fibonacci level, then there's no real reason to look for shorts yet. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.